Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change a language on Uno. To change a language setting on your Uno application, the first thing you want to do is to open up your Uno app and sign into your account. From the main home page, go ahead and tap on the Settings button at the bottom left-hand corner. Under General, tap on the Language drop-down. Select from the multitudes of language options and choose the one that you want to change to for your account. After tapping on one of them, you will immediately notice that you have successfully changed your display language for Uno. You can come back to this option anytime and change to your desired language. So that's it for today's video. That's how you easily change your language on Uno. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.